Hello, everyone. Today, we're delving into a crucial topic: how to recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail. Alright, let's jump into the process. Now, first things first, to recover permanently deleted emails on Gmail, you need to log in to your Gmail account. After logging in, follow the next steps. Now, it's important to note that Gmail retains deleted emails in its trash for 30 days. After that, they are permanently deleted, but don't worry, there's still a way to recover them. First, click on the bin icon on the left side of the screen. If your trash has been emptied or it's been over 30 days, you still have a chance to recover. In your Gmail page, go to Help option by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner, then select Help. Here, go to the Gmail messages are missing tab, and you'll see most of the emails are missing. Click on this link and follow the instructions to add your old Gmail account. And then click Continue. Recovery result: unfortunately, your missing emails were permanently deleted, and we can't get them back. We know this can be really frustrating, and we're sorry that we can't help this time around. To keep this from happening again, it's a good idea to double-check the security of your account. Learn more about Gmail security tips. If you'd like to better understand how deletion works in Gmail, or how long emails stay in your trash, learn more about deleting and recovering deleted Gmail messages. And that's how you can recover permanently deleted emails from Gmail.
If you want to watch more videos like this, please subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to like it.